Hey guys, just got a delivery from Adventure Life USA of their premium Fender vent decals. I ordered mine in the black topo with the matching red outline. To get these installed, you first want to clean the area. I test fitted mine to get an idea of the placement. Then, you'll want to spray the area with some rapid tack or soapy water. Once soaked, peel the decal and place it on the Jeep. You can adjust it slightly as you apply it, but try to get it close. Remove any bubbles from the inside out using a squeegee. And that's it! Check it out! Time for the next side. First, cleaning the space. Then getting it soaked. And finally applying our graphic. So that's it guys, that's simple. This is a huge visual upgrade for just a couple minutes of work. Note that you'll probably want to wait about an hour before you drive when you first install these. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.